81C, going to this next call here. Samsung refrigerator compressor starting failure error. It says check the inverter. It says 81C when the compressor fails starting. Let's see if we can troubleshoot it. We're gonna check from red and black wire. We're going to get we're supposed to get 120 volts AC, and that just tells us that we're getting power to that inverter.
One flash.
The rest of the checks are troubleshooting. The compressor, why it's failing to start. We got our voltages there.
No start.
We're also looking for the DC voltages once it starts up.
Check voltage.
And ohming out the compressor, so check it out.
Voltage. From red and black. 120. So we're getting voltage this way. See, we have 5 volts DC here. Low voltage. Compressor windings. Blue and purple. 12. Should all be the same. Twelve. That's good. Alright, from red and black we should have 120 once we powered up. Red, black. There it goes. Alright, the 120's there. Still flashing 1. Compressor's gone. Have to try the inverter.